Hello friends, it is Running Kimono. I hope you're all doing great. Today's video we're going to talk about the best gain deals taking place right up until April the 10th, which is Saturday over at the Dollar General. And we're going to talk about the ground rules, how to have the most amount of success with this. And the first thing that we're going to look at is this, which is the two coupons that you need, which is the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25. If you do these deals before Saturday, it's an extra $5. If you do it on Saturday, at most stores, the two in fact stack. And Saturday is April the 10th. And all digital coupons too are of a one-time use. So pick and choose how you use them wisely. So if you're going to do this gain deal, you can't do a general basket deal on the same store card, just to note that. Couple ground rules for you guys. The biggest savings again is on Saturday when you can get the two to stack on a $30 basket. You're having $10 of savings. How nice is that? You really got to pay attention in the store that you're grabbing the right stuff and it's ringing up for the cost that we're talking about. Maybe bring a pad of paper and pen. Sometimes when you're juggling a $30 basket, it's a monster, so you can just have a little ledger and do it the old-fashioned way. Use the Dollar General app to scan to make sure that the 5 off of 30 is attaching to the products you're grabbing. Not all products in the gain line work with the 5 off of 30. Sometimes they're just not programmed in right, which is kind of goofy and strange. And any issues that you might have at checkout after the cashier presses the final pay button, you can always void your transactions and all your digital coupons will stay on your store card. These are also Michigan prices, so if you're in a different part of the United States, might be more, might be less. And just to note that the 5 off of 30 with the 5 off of 25 does not work at all stores. Some stores it just does not work. To show you guys, a couple weeks back, I did one of my deals and I got it down to $8 for a beautiful basket of gain. So I really love when these deals happen, and it's just a lot of, for a $30 basket down to that, it's a little bit of magic. I just absolutely love the gain line as well. So the first deal that we're going to talk about is 100% digital. All you need is an account and to load the following coupons. So you're going to need the 5 off of 30 loaded along with the 5 off of 25. Off of this little bingo chart, grab 3 products for $6.95. Remember, we need a $30 basket, so 3 of them. 1 product at $3.95. So whatever you want. I always say fabric softener. I know it probably gets on your nerves, but if you wanted to grab like a detergent and then, dryer sheets, you can do that. That would be totally fine. And we're going to need the following coupons loaded that include the $1 off and then the $2 off. So from that bingo sheet I showed you, these are the digital coupons you need loaded. And then we're going to grab 2 of these, which is the Febreze small spaces with the gain scent. Please make sure it has the word gain on the packaging. They're $3 each. And then we're going to need this coupon loaded, which is a 3 off of 2. As you can see, this guy doesn't expire until the 24th, so that is a wonderful coupon to have. So looking at the math here, guys, we're going to grab 3 of the gain detergents priced at $6.95. I need my basket to get to 30, and that's the easiest product to get the math like right up to 30 quickly. So 3 of them is $20.85. We have 1 of the gain boxes of dryer sheets, 105 count for $3.95, and then 2 of the Febreze with gain, the small spaces at $3 each, which is $6. So the total for my basket is $30.80. As the cashier is scanning stuff, you punch in your phone number. The 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 will come off, along with $6 of digital manufacturers, the $2, the $1 for the gain, and then the 3 off of 2 for the small spaces, $14.80, not including your tax for the 6 products, shaking it out to $2.46 per product. Hey guys, next deal that we have is with paper, coupons, and digitals. We're going to need the following: the 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 25, along with the 5 off of 30. So the first thing that we're going to do is grab 2 items at $6.95 and 2 items at $3.95. Again, this is whatever you wish to grab. I'm not going to say to grab 1 item. Hopefully not, because I'm always like, grab fabric softener. So some of you might have a stockpile full of fabric softener. So whatever you want, as long as the 5 off of 30 coupon is attaching to it. Now, from the savings insert, we're going to need 1 of these, which is the $2 off. The verbiage is very strict to only use 1 of them. So just to save you some problems at the store, just use 1 of each. Along with this $1 off too, you're going to need from the same insert, which is the savings of March the 14th. And then the following digital coupons we'll need the $1 off for the smaller product, and then the $2 off for the product that is $6.95. So you'll need both of these loaded. So if you have one of those inserts, you'll absolutely be in business for this deal. We're also going to grab 2 of these Febreze small spaces with the gain, and we need this 3 off of 2 digital loaded to your store card for this one. And then the final item that we're going to grab is one of the Mr. Cleans for $3. We don't have a coupon for this, but it's a fantastic filler item that works with the 5 off of 30. So looking at the mathematics for this one, 2 of the gain, the larger ones at $6.95 is $13.90. 2 gain dryer sheets, 105 count, is $7.90. Remember, they're $3.95 a pop. And then 2 Febreze small spaces with the gain logo on it. They're 3 each, so that's 6. And then 1 Mr. Clean, the multi-surface cleaner, is $3. So your total right there is $30.80. Of course, you'll punch in your phone number as the cashier scanning stuff, and then present the $2 off and the $1 off coupons from the savings insert of March the 14th. And then when the final pay button is pressed, 5 off of 25, 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $6 of digital manufacturers. The 3 off of 2 for the small spaces, the $2 off for the larger gain, the $1 off for the smaller gain. So you're left with paying $11.80 out of pocket for the 7 items. This does not include your tax. It shakes each item before tax out to $1.68 per product, which I think is a really great deal. Okay, the final deal that we have, guys, is with paper coupons. Again, paper and digital. We're going to need the 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 25. Please make sure you have that one loaded, along with the 5 off of 30. So you need these 2 to participate in this deal. We're going to grab one of these larger 51 count of the gain flings. They are $13.50. Now, in that savings insert of March the 14th, we have this $3 off coupon, so we'll utilize one of those. And then we're going to grab 6 of these small spaces priced at $3, so that's 18 buckos. Now, in the April P&G, we have this coupon, which is a buy one, get one free. Over at the Dollar General, the cash registers work a little differently with these BOGO frees. Essentially, what will happen is you will scan 2, present a coupon, scan 2, present a coupon. You have to do that weird jog. So at your store, if everything's a hard and fast no, sadly you can't do this deal, but if they're okay with scanning it in that order, if not, the coupons will beep. That's why you have to do that weird jog. But if your store is super strict, you will not be able to do this. The digital coupon you will also need is this guy, which is the 3 off of 2. So sorry about that weird jog. Hopefully you could follow my drift of scanning 2 products and then a coupon during checkout. So again, to jog through this, 1 gain fling 51 count for $13.50, and then 6 Febreze gain small spaces at $3 a pop. That's 18 bucks. Remember, we're scanning 2 products, presenting a coupon. 2 products, presenting a coupon. And then also 1 $3 coupon from the savings of March the 14th. That's another manufacturer. So even though you're presenting coupons in this weird manner at checkout, it's not going to affect your balance. So as the cashier is scanning the product, punch in your phone number, give the coupons. The total is $31.50. And even though you've presented a bunch of coupons, the numbers don't aggregate until the cashier presses the final pay button. And then when she does that, the 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 will come off, along with $3 of digital manufacturers, the 3 off of 2 for the Febreze small spaces. The final price point here is $9.50 for the 7 items, or $1.35 per product. Sometimes to get these extra big savings, you have to do these weird, stupid things, and you're not breaking any coupon rules or anything like that, because the Febreze coupons say you can use 2, but it's just the way that the cash registers are. It will choke the second coupon if you present them at the very end, just from years of experience. For any BOGO free or something like a 3 off of 2, you have to present 2 and then the item, 2 and then the item if they're written that way. So good luck with this one, guys. As always, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys!